and this is Paul, and onto another video in this little video series where we give you some exercises to help reduce some backache. As you can see, Paul is already in position, and that is all there is to it. So if you're watching TV at night, get off of your sofa and come and lie onto the floor or your computer or anything, because that is stretching this whole front part of the body. So you can actually enjoy lying there watching TV, and you don't actually have to physically do any exercise. It's naturally stretching. So that is our tip this week, nice and easy. Nothing else to say about that really. So take care and I'll see you next week. Bye!